Yes, I do. At least the way I understand things, follows a rather simple mental model. Obviously, I'm a believer. I'm grounded into a faith tradition called Islam. And so, what informs my perspective to answer your question is this particular perspective. So, the way I see the world, if you wish, there is the natural world that we experience via our senses, and the natural world has its own grammar in order to understand it. And because of the extraordinary development of mankind, you could say that the language that the natural world speaks is really the language of mathematics that translates into the various things that we experience, which then has a form that shows up as physics or chemistry or biology or geology or a number of these disciplines that allow us to understand nature better. My belief, however, is that parallel to and coherently with this experience of the natural world, there is a metaphysical or a supernatural world which needs to be apprehended via some other language or some other understanding. And to me, the other language or the other understanding, which is the grammar of the metaphysical world, is the revelation. Obviously, because I'm grounded in Islam, I'm more familiar with the Quran as the revelation of Islam that, if you wish, explains to us or eases us or gives us insights into that metaphysical world. And the direct answer then to your question is that my world is to exist at the intersection of these two things. That's how I reconcile and coherently put the two pieces together.